With today's snowy weather, many are worried about road conditions, and right now the Colorado Springs Police Department is operating with cold reporting. Cold reporting means drivers should report minor traffic crashes online instead of calling the police during this snowy time.
Well, CDOT recommends that you take it slow and continue to look out for those snow plows on the roads, as there was already a fatal plow accident with a driver of a Subaru who died north of Penrose on Highway 115 in El Paso County. When CSP troopers were responding to a crash, another driver hit the patrol vehicle.